Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. And we have returned.
Oh, another one. Another one.
Another one. Another one. Another one.
All right.
What shenanigans you got us going on now?
This one is by far tamer than the shot from last time.
What is this called?
This is called the Pornstar Martini.
That's tame.
I think it's tame because number one, it's not a shot, and it's also not called.
It's a porn star.
It's a porn star.
Because she gets paid or he gets paid?
He or she may get paid. He or she, he or she may also get pooped on. But hey, that's their prerogative. They get paid for that. Anyway, listen.
I'm just a child.
Oh, hush. You agreed to it.
I'm just a child.
Listen. Okay, so this is what I'm excited about. I think it's gonna make for a fun drink that hopefully will be a step up from that shot, because that shot it was burning my esophagus.
Yeah.
So I think taste-wise, this will be really good. So let's run through the ingredients real quick. Okay, passion fruit liqueur. Okay, simple syrup. Well, okay, the recipe calls for vanilla simple syrup. We have improvised. We have vanilla extract and we have simple syrup.
Yeah.
And we want to combine them.
Yeah.
Okay, lime juice. Vanilla vodka.
I'm vanilla, baby. I'm sorry, go ahead.
Oh, that's your bae. I forgot that's your white bae. And then passion fruit puree. And we're gonna top off with a prosecco of your choice.
Put your loving on me, baby. All right, sorry.
And we thought it would be cute to garnish with a little strawberry. Okay. So, you know. That's what I'm saying. All right, so we have our shakers and we have our ice. Let's get started.
Let's get it. How about the 15? Some. There ain't no challenger. Big. I'm sorry.
Oh, you was ready. You was.
I was
go
stuck
ahead.
on the other one. No, I'm ready.
No.
I'm ready.
Go ahead.
I'm ready. Put your loving on me, baby. Let's get on with these crazy. Well, come on, let's go.
Can I get the vanilla vodka, please?
Vanilla.
Gracias.
De nada.
Okay, 1.5 ounces of our vanilla vodka.
1.5 ounces. Fuck.
I know how you feel about vodka.
Ooh, child, I think you added vanilla in front of it is gonna make it better?
I did actually. There you go.
Child.
Passing the top. Are you singing, are you humming a Negro spiritual as you pour the vanilla vodka to make it feel better? Jump down, turn around, pick a bell. You know what?
Wow.
All right, stopping row, I am ahead. Okay, passion fruit liqueur, we need 1.5 ounces of that.
1.5 ounces.
But it's a liqueur, right? So how bad could it be?
There's a lot of passion going on.
Well, it's a Pornstar Martini. All right, ice maker. Y'all, you heard that? Bam, 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 bam. Okay.
1.5, right?
Yes, ma'am. All right. And now we are gonna do 1/2 ounce of the passion fruit puree. So would you hand me that? My Lord. All right.
My Lord.
Okay, yes. So this is, one of them, it like to squirt.
Like to drip.
So just be careful with it. There you go.
How much? What?
1/2 ounce. 1/2 ounce, baby.
1/2
1/2 ounce, baby. I don't know why that's the go-to, but it just is.
You shocked us all, even the people at home.
Man, okay. So 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Listen, y'all know what it is. Safeway supplied it.
You bought it.
I bought it, okay? All right, so then it's gonna be half an ounce of what's supposed to be vanilla simple syrup. So this is what we finna do. So we'll pour about, thank you, God bless, because you saw the struggle.
The struggle's already there. We're not even following.
So basically, I poured mostly the half an ounce with the simple syrup and just topped it off with the vanilla extract.
I'll let you put that extract in my.
Oh, okay, sure.
That's half? Yeah.
Give me a little more. Okay.
Ooh, chair. Now I can pour it?
Yeah, now you can pour it. Bet. You know, improvisation, that's what's important, okay, people? All right, let me make sure that's I think that's the last ingredient before we shake.
Top,
Yes,
top afterwards.
Right, so we're gonna shake this.
All right, shaker, don't fail me this time. Last time it bust on me. No pun intended.
Wow. How appropriate for this series of episodes.
Well, I gotta make a living some way, right?
You know, you do. Okay, so I have also changed my shaker as well because
I'm in love with a stripper. She loves it. That's not. Are they? No, they're not.
well, no, they aren't. They dabble in the same industry, but not exactly. Okay, so we're gonna top with prosecco, and as I said, you can
Pour up for my homies.
right, like whatever prosecco you want to use. Okay, I'm gonna just borrow this real quick.
Sure thing.
Give it a little.
Not like it's mine anyway.
Well, you know,
Oh, yeah.
it was at your station, so I just thought.
Right.
Okay, and now I cut a little slit in the
Look at you
strawberry.
being festive. I just want to let you know, my shaker is a Junior Hut Weenie Hut compared to yours. I mean, look at that.
It actually is, but you bought me this, so thanks, bae.
Whatever.
So I just added, I cut a little slit in the strawberry.
How you do that, Willis?
Should be on the booty.
Nope. This
What are you doing?
finger in it. Oh.
Oh,
wait.
what? I already cut the slit.
My bad. I mean, it was literal.
You know what, guys? Do whatever you want to do.
Whatever.
Apparently, she wants to finger the strawberry.
Oh god.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Ready?
So this is cute. Let's not cheers this. This is dangerous. Okay. But here we go. Oh, yup.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait a minute.
I feel like I should be on a beach.
Hold up. Wait a minute. This is. I need to be on somebody's beach right
Put
now.
your loving on me, baby.
Oh, is that your anthem?
Yeah. Okay. But it's good. You go first.
Okay, fair enough. You guys. Okay.
Oh.
I spilled a little bit. That is what we call Kletzville. So let me clean that up real quick. Okay, here we go. But real quick, do you see how pretty that is? It is pretty and it tastes wonderful. I think the only thing dirty about this is the name. Because it is giving me straight tropical vibes, like I need to be on somebody's island acting a fool. Okay?
Can you just chill?
No, I'm gonna act a fool
Okay. All right.
after about 2 or 3 of these.
Okay.
Okay, the flavor is wonderful. It's cute. I mean, it's cute.
It's cute.
It also will sneak up on you.
I will.
Because
Yeah.
the passion fruit liqueur and then the passion fruit puree, it makes it fruity. So basically, you're really not tasting the alcohol that much, which can be dangerous sometimes. But it tastes really good. So I would give this like a 9. I really like this. I have no complaints.
No complaints.
I feel like if I'm not on the beach, at a minimum, I'm just out here staring at my neighbors, seeing what they're doing, because they do the same thing to me.
Oh,
so.
you people watch?
I do people watch,
You're
because
wa-
they people watch me. So
I haven't reached that age yet, but whatever.
here we go. Really, ma'am?
I'm sorry.
What are you about, like 2 or 3 years younger than me?
And listen, 2-3 years make a big difference.
Wow.
No doubt. Just
Wow.
you've seen that I'm a new me because last year I was a totally different person at the end of the year. Mama, I apologize for embarrassing you.
Decisions were made. I was thoroughly tickled. I just want you guys to know.
Thoroughly. But anyway.
Okay, well, I'm gonna pass it to you. So, your impressions.
So, I agree with you. I'm gonna give this a 9. It's not my fave go-to probably, or I want to ask for it because it has vodka in it. I just don't care for vodka.
But you don't taste the vodka, do you?
You don't. I taste the vanilla-ish.
The vanilla-ish?
The vanilla-ish
What is it?
in the vodka. But but it's vodka, so it's not something I will probably ask for. You know what I'm saying? Like I will, if somebody gave it to me or it's on the menu and I don't know anything else or can't get it, I would order it. It's not bad. It's definitely great, but it's because it's vodka. I will not go to this. This is not something I'll gravitate to. But overall, it's a 9 for me. Presentation look cute. You know, you added the strawberry
I added
to
a little
it.
strawberry.
You know, and the color is just like inviting. It's inviting.
It feels like we need to make a trip to the beach. Maybe that's on our 2024 list, right? Going somewhere.
Yes. Yeah.
Tropical.
But yeah.
Okay, so y'all should definitely try this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Let us know if this is something that you would try out. I mean, listen, even if you're vodka averse, it's vanilla vodka.
Vanilla baby.
And you're adding vanilla simple syrup to it. So I feel like it's kind of the vodka is neutralized. You have the liqueur and puree and other things at hand, which kind of tame the vodka taste, okay? So don't be afraid of it. Also, if you're somebody like me who tends to prefer really strong drinks, I think it's still in between. Like you can still enjoy this.
Betweenish.
You can still really enjoy this. So yeah, we'll be back because basically I'm gonna finish this. And I mean, I might finish it.
I don't know, you might need one of these afterward.
Well, technically, you gotta start before you start drinking. You gotta take this before.
I thought you could take this after. What?
No, this one you gotta take at least 30 minutes before.
Oh, so you know. Oh, it's still good though. It's good to know.
Yeah, so again, y'all should check this one out too. We like to have fun, but at the same time, who likes hangovers?
I don't.
And the older you get, the more likely a hangover will happen if you do too much mixing.
Too much.
Okay, so just don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't mix if you can, but if you're gonna mix, yeah, you know, I don't know. Anyway, sorry.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Clearly her mouth is full of.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I had one little dribble and now.
But anyway, it's okay. I got this. We'll be back. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. Ring my bell. This Britney show now. Stop it.
Oh!
Ring my bell.
Wow! Swap.
It's too late. The audience is done left. Bye, y'all.